Hey everybody, this is Mike Siddons. I'm often asked, what is a property assessment? Property assessment is the value that your county says your property is worth for property taxation purposes, for your property taxes. It is extremely important, however, that the value is correct because your county assessed value directly determines what your county tax, your school district tax, and your municipality tax bills will be for every single year. All three property tax bills, your county, school, and municipality, are all calculated using the same county property assessment. Therefore, the lower your assessment, the lower your property taxes will be. Now, for those of you that live in Delaware County, Pennsylvania, Delaware County recently concluded its court-ordered reassessment of all the real estate within the county. In order to comply with this mandate, Delaware County Council contracted with Tyler Technologies, Incorporated in 2017, to provide real property appraisal services for the county's 2020 general reassessment. Delaware County property owners began receiving revised property assessment values from Tyler Technologies around mid-February of 2020. Some of you probably did receive some of those notices and were probably wondering what they were all about. Well, the purpose of that notice was to identify a tentative new value for your property effective for tax year 2021. As part of that process, property owners were given an opportunity to have an informal review with Tyler Technologies to contest the valuation that was on that notice. Unfortunately, the opportunity to have an informal review has now passed. That time period is now concluded. So if you missed the opportunity to schedule an informal review with Tyler Technologies, you still have an opportunity to file a formal appeal with the Delaware County Board of Assessment when you receive your new notice of value, probably sometime around July of 2020, like within the next couple of weeks. The tentative notice dates are supposed to be mailed on or before July 1st. So again, probably within the next couple of weeks, most of you will start getting the actual set values that Tyler Technologies have put on those notices. Now, there'll be instructions for filing a formal appeal when you receive those notices. However, generally, the deadline to file an annual appeal in Delaware County is August 1st of each year. The purpose of the reassessment that Tyler Technologies was retained to do was to distribute the property tax burden among properties based on the current fair market value. As you review the value you receive from Tyler Technologies, your primary question should be, is this the price for which I could sell my property? In other words, your assessment should represent 100% of the July 1st, 2019 market value. But it's a little misleading. So don't apply your current tax rate to your new assessment because the results will be incorrect. The new millage rate will be determined by your municipality, county, and school district for the 2021 tax year. So don't combine millage rates with assessment. They're two separate things, even though they're both used to determine what your actual property tax bill will be. That's another reason why it might be in your interest to retain a property assessment attorney like ourselves to review to see if you actually have grounds to file an appeal. But just be mindful that the August 1st deadline is an absolute deadline to file the appeal. So if you think you may have grounds or you want to file your appeal, please give us a call.